Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to unbox PlayStation 5 that we have ordered in the Big Billion Sale. We have ordered this package of two controllers. Earlier we were opting for the FIFA 24 edition, but we have dropped that plan and we went for dual controller edition. So let's unbox this one. I know that you may have already seen a lot of videos regarding the PS5 unboxing, but this is a very new experience for me, so I want to also bore you with the stickers and all the details that they have on the main box. You can see MRP, you can see manufacturing month and year, blah blah blah. So we will just skip to the main part. I'll just unbox it. I'll cut the seals first of all, and we'll see what's inside this beautiful printed box. Here it comes. Let's just take the boxes outside because I do not want to tear the main box. It is having a very light paper kind of box, so let's just take the main boxes out of it first. So we get a logo PlayStation on this one. Small one do not have anything printed on it. So basically these are the two packages that I got in the printed box. Let's open the small one first. Okay, we are having a controller here. Apart from that, this box seems empty. So we have ordered the dual controller edition, so maybe that's why they put the extra controller in this box and created this package. So this is the controller, you can see. Oh my god, it looks great. Now the turn to open the main box. Okay, it has a small box on the top. Let's open this one. Two manuals. I doubt I'm gonna read these. So let's keep them aside. First of all, there's a wire which is a power cord for our console. Here comes our second controller. What else do we have in this box? I can see the machine. Okay, so in this small box we have two more things. One is the stand, I guess. Yeah, this is the stand for our PlayStation 5, and the second thing is it seems, yeah, HDMI cable. This is the HDMI cable. Let's unwrap this also, see what kind of stand it is. Okay, we'll see later how to put this on the console. Now the big part comes, the main console, the main machine that we all were waiting for. So let's open this one. It was little scary to hold it and unwrap it, because I was also having a fear in my heart that I can't drop it, right? It was like very carefully I was handling it. Finally. Oh god, we have waited for this very long. It's totally a dream come true kind of situation for us. It has a very sleek design. I can't explain it in words. Amazing feeling that I'm getting when I see this brand new PS5 console and remotes and all. It's a wholesome moment for us. Further, I found two more documents in the main box. One is the warranty card, another one I don't know really, but it was having some kind of information based on the region, like south region, west region and all. And this is the warranty card. It contains the Sony customer care numbers, barcodes and all, like details of the product and all. Further, I forgot to unbox one more thing. I was looking for this little cable all over the place. C-type USB cable that we will be using to connect our remote controllers. Now let's see how this stand works. First you have to rotate and get this screw out of it. Once you've done that, the next step is to take this small cover from the PlayStation console and you have to plug it in the stand. So here it is, you have to just press it. It gives you a click. I wanted to stand it vertically, so in the back I have put this handle of this stand. Further, I put the screw in the middle of this stand from where we remove the cover. So let's just tight it a little. Don't tight it too much, otherwise it will slip and you will regret. So this is our console giving us standing ovation for a great installation. Let's have a look what we got in this package. First of all, our HDMI cable, then power cord, then we have a C-type cable, then we have two controllers. In the end, we have our main machine, the engine, the PS console. Also said like there will be a surprise game that I will be having, and this is the one, Spiderman Miles Morales. This is the game which I ordered with this console. So that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you, signing off.